when people come to our office after having been involved in a motor vehicle accident or a motorcycle accident, the first thing I ask is if they have access to a police report or that initial document that's given by the police, to bring that to our office so we can at least get a traffic number, we can know who the defendant is, and likely know the insurance company of the defendant, the person that's at fault. So that's the first thing I ask. Also, please give me information as far as any medical treatment that you've received thus far, and whether you've had any prior injuries to similar parts of your body. After we've signed a new client up in a personal injury case, the first thing we do is we investigate the case, and that usually involves getting a traffic accident report, potentially talking to witnesses, having investigators speak to witnesses that may have been there at the time of the accident, especially if there's a dispute about who's at fault for the accident. And we contact the insurance company, so we stop any ex parte communications between the insurance adjuster and our client. Those are the first things we do. And then we certainly discuss with them the type of injury that they've had, how long they will likely be treating for this type of injury. We also talk to them about the type of treatment that they receive. There are certain non-medical types of treatment that may be very helpful to you, but insurance companies don't want to pay, and sometimes juries don't want to award for unconventional treatment. So we talk to them, and it's important that they know what a personal injury case is like, how long it will take, and what are some of the positives and negatives of their case. I don't sugarcoat anything to a client. I let them know ahead of time that what are the positives of their case and what may be some of the difficult issues or obstacles associated with their case. Most often, when a client knows the positives and the obstacles to their particular case, they can make an informed decision when it comes time to settle their case, whether the settlement offer is appropriate, whether the settlement offer is reasonable. That way they can make an informed decision and there are no surprises at the end. Shay Associates is your civil trial law firm. If you've been involved in an accident or suffered injury due to somebody else's negligence, please contact us for a free consultation.